So this gentleman is a reenactor from World War II, and he's going to tell us about his period that he's covering. So, okay, yes.
Hello there, my name's Mark. I'm portraying Captain Colin Mould, Beachmaster on D-Day. Try to portray the actor more of Kenneth Moore, so some of the parts will be sort of ad-lib.
So you're actually Royal Navy, aren't you?
Royal Navy,
Can you
yeah.
just turn your... Yeah. And you've got your fantastic dog.
I've got my fantastic dog, this is Wilson.
Wilson.
Yeah. We've been doing living history displays and reenacting for about 30 years.
Not Wilson?
Not with Wilson, no. But we got him about 2 years ago, and we were sitting watching The Longest Day, and I thought, you know what, it's something a bit different. I can use him as a prop.
Brilliant.
So that's what we did, and he loves his fun, he enjoys it.
So Wilson likes all the attention, doesn't he?
Yeah, he likes all the attention, he's not scared of all the bangs. It's just something a bit different to do.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome, thank you. Oh, sorry. It takes us ages to get round here, we never roam.
He's lovely.
Lovely dog is Wilson.
I like it. He's lovely. You're supposed to be talking about this young man. Oh, you're lovely too. Honestly.